Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a leaked Manchester United home shirt for the 26-27 season, and this shirt was purchased from gogm.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link from my usual seller, which will enable you to take a look at their items to decide where you prefer items to be purchased from. Now, this shirt is the fan version, as we can see, the embroidered Adidas and the embroidered Manchester United crest. I've also noticed there's a tag up there, which you don't tend to get normally, so that's a bit different. But yeah, we'll take a proper dive once we open the bag up. The shirt comes in a standard Adidas bag, and on the flip side is the usual health warnings that you would expect to see on these shirts. Delivery timescales, I think it was about 12 days, so yeah, in between that 10 to 15 spot, which is absolutely perfect. The seller, as I mentioned earlier, GOGM, all the information in the description of the video. What we'll do now is we will open the bag and let's take a look at the Manchester United leaked home shirt for the 26-27 season. I think this is the first shirt actually I'm doing for the 26-27 season. So yeah, let's get the bag undone and take a look now. Okay, we've got the shirt out of the bag, and I've got to say this shirt looks really quite clean. I think it's just because it's just got this standard red, no pattern or anything in there. But it does give me vibes of one of the TeamViewer shirts actually from about 2 or 3 seasons ago for Manchester United, just that plain red. The collar line just gives back a bit of the heritage of the Man United colours there, and the Adidas stripes seem really quite thick. Like a double layer compared to what it normally is. That's obviously same on this side as well. No Premier League patches or anything on this one because it is a leak shirt. Jeez, as I'm doing that, it does give me a bit of Arsenal vibe as well. Adidas embroidered in, as I mentioned earlier. The Man United crest also been embroidered on. I just noticed here you've got this additional stretchy material as part of the collar line, so no buttons or anything. Snapdragon is the vinyl, just plastic vinyl this time, but that does feel to have gone on really quite smoothly. And at the bottom we have Climacool. Hemline stitching looks good for a leaked shirt. Yeah, no concerns there at all. So there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look now at the reverse side. Okay, we're on to the reverse side, and straight away I've noticed that looks so smart. I do like that, this United. I think that looks really nice. Collar line continues the same around the back, but those Adidas stripes seem really big. I know I called it out earlier, but yes, a massive white stripe. No name and number on the back. Reason being is this is a leak shirt, so I tend not to get any sort of customizations or anything on them at this stage, because you never know who's going to be there, who's not, and if the numbers are going to change. You can see the outline of the crest here from just where the shirt's been in the bag, but once that's been worn, those crease marks will soon be gone. And there are quite a few creases in the back, to be fair, from the shirt being in the bag. Holding the material out here, you can see my hand for it relatively well, so you know the material is lightweight, and it's got a bit of a shiny yet rough sort of texture to it. Those bubbles are yeah, you can feel those through it. I thought there's a mark there, but it's just where the light's showing. But there's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Inside the outside reverse, should have said that is vinyled on there. It's just like a sticker of vinyl that's been put on the back there. But I think that looks quite nice. But let's take a look at the inside of the leaked shirt now. Okay, we'll move through to the inside of the shirt, and the stitching around the collar line all looks nice. The Adidas stripes even look quite large on the inside. Sleeves, stitching all fine, which is good when it's a leaked shirt, when they do take the time in it. Man United crest, you've got the standard join up there, so that all looks fine. The Adidas, you always get a lot of excess cotton on these, and my worry is always where these rub on, so I tend to wear a shirt underneath if I was wearing something like this. Join there, all looks okay, bit of excess cotton, but nothing to really worry about. Snapdragon, as mentioned, have been heat pressed on, that feels lovely and smooth. And at the bottom we have our washing instructions, Recommendation when washing these shirts is to do as the shirt is now and have it flipped on the inside out. And when you come to dry it, just let them hang dry. Lovely weather in the UK at the moment, so these sort of shirts can be hung outside nicely. Never put them in a tumble dryer, otherwise your printing, such as the Snapdragon or the United that you can see just up there, could well peel off. So yeah, always look after the shirts with how you wash and let them dry. Let's take a look at the other side now. Okay, it's the final part of the inside of the shirt, and you've got this tag up here that we looked at earlier, which is your fire hazard tag. We've got the size in here, size large. I've actually got this for somebody at work. When I see it was available, decided to order it for them. And you get the standard tags that you get in the Adidas jersey. Good telltale sign if you're buying one of these shirts and it's not, and you want to check whether it's legitimate or not. If you've got Adidas JSY, this jersey, there's a good chance the shirt will not be, well, says a good chance the shirt will not be official. They do not have them like that. And also it's this plastic tag as well. All the official shirts have like a card sort of tag with a string in there. Obviously cut down on the plastic waste and all that sort of stuff. If we push in onto the shirt here where the badge is, you can just about see through it. Again, just about make it out, not overly see-through, which is good. You can just about make it out. But there is the final part of this inside of the Manchester United Leak 26-27 home shirt. What do you think? And there we have completed the Manchester United leaked home shirt for the 26-27 season from gogm.com. I will leave all the information for the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link from your seller, will enable you to look at both sets of items. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I do try to get some of the leaked shirts out as soon as I can. It's nice to get a first look at them. Obviously this could well change, and when the official Manchester United one does come out, I will make sure that we review it on this channel. I imagine there'll be like a sleeve sponsor over there and the Premier League badge at some stage on that side as well. That's what they've been doing for the last few seasons. But yeah, drop me a comment, let me know what you think to this one. Do you think this is what the official one will look like when it gets released? If it is, are you going to buy it? Let me know. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.